Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Glaz RDSA by Crave. The Glaz RDSA is a bottom airflow, rebuildable, dripping, and squonking atomizer with a 30mm diameter. The kit comes in a sturdy cardboard box. Inside, the contents include a user manual, a Crave sticker, a bag of spare parts which include 2 peak insulators and a post for series builds, a squonk pin, a standard stainless steel 510 pin is pre-installed, 3-way Allen key, 2 silicone mouthpieces for the 2 glass top caps, a spare black airflow control ring, and the Glaz RDSA build deck. The Glaz RDSA is a modular build deck capable of transforming from a postless to a series deck. The 6 post holes allow for a single, dual, or triple coil build or a series build with the addition of the attachable post. The coils can range from 3mm to 6mm in diameter. To get started, loosen the grub screws for your chosen build. Add the coils and tighten the screws. Sterilize your new coils by bumping them a few times and to work out the kinks. Add your cotton wicks and tuck them securely down into the juice wells. Prime your wick with e-liquid. Recheck the connection by firing the coils a couple of times. Insert the glass top over the build deck and you're ready to vape. Available separately is the new metal top cap. It features a diagonal topside airflow which hits the coils directly, concentrating the airflow for best flavor production. The top has 4 air slots for precise airflow control. It also has a removable drip tip and an improved squonk part to stop over squonk leaking. The Glaz RDSA is a beast. It's the largest build deck that I've ever used, and I love the versatility of the deck where you have several options for coil builds. It's an all-in-one build deck. The flavor was great on both the metal and the glass top caps, but I'm a glass guy and I feel flavors of anything will always be better through glass. The glass top cap is also a con as it's obviously prone to getting broke, probably by me at some point. That's why it's cool they include 2 glass top caps in this kit. Not a big con, but the size is big at 30mm and I don't have any mods that'll fit it exactly. Overall, it's a great RDSA. The Glaz RDSA version 1.1 currently runs in the $55 range and it comes in stainless steel. However, the black airflow ring changes the color. If you had to pick up the kit for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day and may the vape be with you.